Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video we're working on Hyundai Elantra generation from 2011 to 2016, and we'll go ahead and show you how to remove or replace the headlight, the whole headlight assembly. We'll demonstrate on the left side because it has more stuff, so it will be harder to get to. The right side will be even easier. Stay with us and let's start on it now. We have more than 200 videos guys on this car. We'll be taking the whole thing apart, so if you need anything, let us know. Keep watching, subscribe, and most likely we'll have the video. We'll be taking the engine apart as well because it started knocking at less than 70,000 miles. So with a 12mm socket, we're going to remove that bolt right there. Two more bolts with 10mm socket. First one was 12, these ones are 10. Next, we'll need to remove 3 clips on the bumper, so we don't damage the bumper. I've seen people scratching their bumper because they're too lazy to remove 3 clips. So here, you need to unscrew the middle piece out, okay? Hold the outside, help it with a little bitty screwdriver if you need to here, because sometimes they'll get stuck. Okay, like that, and now start unscrewing. Okay, perfect. Now you can just unscrew it. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, let me show you how it works. You see it like that. We have... Okay, I'm trying to focus because of the sunlight. One more here. And one more over there. Okay. This one came out as well. Now, you grab the headlight. The first thing that you do, okay, you need to pull towards the front. Okay, this end goes towards the front. Okay, a little bit. You hear coming out of the clips. Now you need to grab the bumper and pull a little bit towards the front. Okay, and then the headlight needs to go up, straight up. Careful not to scratch your bumper there. Now we need to disconnect the wires. You pull down and you push them out. Okay. And the headlight came out. So this is how you guys remove the headlight. You install it in reverse order. We took it apart. You can see that clip right here. Okay, that's the thing that we slide out over there. So thank you guys for watching. If you need anything, let us know. We have the videos on the channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. And one more clip over there, we just saw it. So see you guys next time.